Okay, I'm gonna boil beans. I don't wanna lose it. Use it or lose it. So all the benefits for you. So just cook and eat. Okay, I'm gonna drop to hot water. Sauce. A little bit salt in there. And I'm gonna boil it about 10-15 minutes. I want to cook well done because this should sit in the refrigerator for like 3 days. I don't want to lose it, so I have to use it. Eat it up, and all the vegetable can go no wrong. All is good for you, so just eat it. This is string bean. Use it or lose it. That's why I have to eat it. You know, healthy food is very easy to cook. Healthy food is very simple. All you need to do, any vegetable you gotta eat it, because good food, healthy food is very easy. Just like this green bean. Oh yes, they're good for you. Okay, it's done. So just go ahead. Nighttime, you don't want to eat things heavy. Don't think about diet. Just eat the vegetables, steamed vegetable. It's not gonna hurt you. All you're gonna have more benefits on you. So just eat vegetable. Very easy for your stomach. So nothing wrong with that. Like I say, good food. It's not hard to cook, very easy. Anybody can cook. Just boil green bean. Can't wait to eat this. There you have it. Green bean, you guys. Look at that. Looks so yummy. I can't believe it. Tell you, just eat. Like I say, good food, easy to cook and simple. Especially eat at night time. That's what you need, the vegetable. Well, see you guys later. Bye.